Bob's shop. Talking to myself again, Bob.
What?
I'm talking to myself again. I'm insane. Yeah, we gotta get this car started. Bob's car, we're having technical difficulties. I got employed to get this thing going. We'll see how it goes. Will this ever end? He decided to go buy a MSD distributor to replace the Joe Hunt one. It is a better setup. Problem is, it's a bit bulky. It's big, and it doesn't want to go in the motor right now. We're gonna have to do some grinding and cutting in order to get that thing to fit. It's hitting right there on the manifold. Bob's gonna grind away. That's what he does best. Customizer. You don't need much. About an 1/8 of an inch or so to get it to fit in there. Maybe a little bit more, 1/4 of an inch or so to move around. Thing's got to turn when it's all said and done, so you can get the timing right. More excitement for me. Grindido. Grind it. Just working away. Trying to get that manifold taken care of. The manifold's in the way of the damn distributor. There goes Bob working his butt off. That again then. Yeah, we're dealing with some real clearance issues over here. Had to do some creative grinding over here and stuff. Altering of the distributor cap in order to get it to move. And there it is. It's in. Distributor cap on a 57 Dodge. Yeehaw. Well, believe it or not, we actually got it to start. Distributor was 180 out. So we had to get the distributor back straight again. Got it to run. It's actually running right now. We're having an oil leak problem. Fucking oil leak. Oil leak. Well, here we are underneath of Bob's car. There we go. Get a little view of the underneath of Bob's car. As we direct some attention to an oil leak. This car has rather extensive piping, oil piping. And in that respect, it's there's a lot of stuff that can go wrong. And there in that little oil section right there. Oil leaks. Contact. Oh. Hang on it.
Still dripping just a little bit of oil.
Okay, we're leaking oil. Let it shut her down. Shut her down. Hey, Bob's hot rod. Got it running. Noisy. Good. HC flameproof coatings. They work. Mr. Crocodile approves. Here we are at Bob's shop again. Oh boy. Let's get everything in focus, huh? Nah, I gotta do 50 Chevy Ford, the 50 Ford is out of the lift. We got that steering system in place. I mounted the pump and did some assist. I got the pump mounted, he couldn't figure it out. And we're back to the old, what do they call this thing, rat rod. Yeah, there you go. Bob's rat rod. Bardo's hot rods. There you go. Bob's, I can get a pretty good picture of it from here. Well, not really with the rag on there, so let's get the rag off. Pop it up like that. And lift it up here. And that way you can get a halfway decent picture of, there you go. He's up there. Whee! Look at it. We're in Bob's shop. It's pretty freaking gnarly in here. Arlo. It's a hot rod shop, you know. There we go. There's Bob's rat rod on the lift. There, another hot rod. Ah, lovely. Going with the theme of the car. This is a rat rod electrical system. Look at that. Nice view.
You need the schematics where it's all going?
No, not right now. Unless we get deep. I don't think we'll be alright. I gotta go find some bad circuits. Circuits went bad somewhere along the way.
See, this was supposed to come on, the lights back here.
That's the interior light, that one right there.
That's the interior. This is the pump for the air compressor back there. So that was all working.
Alright. And now it's not working yet.
No, it's not working.
I got a few things to hunt out.
I'm sure he was up underneath there. He knocked some wires.
The devil car. The devil car.
You know?
Yep. Eureka. I got the electricity
I guess that makes it the red light district?
It's the red light district, no question about it, riding down the street. There you go, Bob. Got your red lights back on.
Well, what was wrong? Tell me.
Somebody was creeping around under there and popped the fuse. Constant power fuse, so it's power on all the time, and it's easy to...
What are you making, a movie, or what are you doing?
Well, you know, I just noticed how nicely this thing looks. With all the red lights on.
Never seen that before?
First time. There's Bob, the creature. The feature creature. Hey, it looks really nice though. Yeah, it looks nice on the video, you know. All red and lit up.
I never did do the roof. I left it all rusted. One of these here is the compressor for the rear.
Yeah.
I think it's this one. Yeah, that one. This is for the rear. This is headlight.
Alright, so those are all working now. I'm not sure how they can...
This ain't working.
Was that manual? Constant power. You don't need the key on.
No, constant power. That's for the compressor for the air horn.
Yeah, it looks pretty focused. Not too bad. I got the vacuum leak taken care of. Ended up doing some other stupid shit today. Blowing up the damn sending unit.
All the gauges work except for the temperature.
There you go.
Huh?
Yeah, that's pretty much the story.
Put more gas, yeah?
I'd put some gas just to make sure the gas gauge moves. You know, that one. Oh shit, hot rod. Hot rod from hell. Hot rod. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just going to start it up real quick.
Yeah, because I'm going to turn the battery off here.
Hot rod. It's actually idling. Yay. Talking to the camera. Mom's baby. Got some work to do still yet. Okay. We're having problems with the damn temperature gauge. Turn that shit off. Okay. Another day of fun. Whee! Working on the devil car. Devil car, devil car. There's Bob. He's gonna go cruise. Yeah, it sounded pretty good. Running nicely. And just another beautiful day in wild old Kakaako. There's Kyle's Automotive right next door to Bardo's Hot Rod Company. Anytime you need your hot rod tweaked on, this is the place. Hoo-ha.